Look at that, Buddy thinks he's a gorilla. Angus is 5 times his size, and Buddy will fire on him. Get him, Trixie. Watch him bank him up. Them 2 little dogs. Get him, gorilla. Godzilla. Buddy, Godzilla. What's up, Godzilla? Booty. Have you ever noticed that all the badasses of the world was little bitty people like Napoleon and Genghis Khan and all that? Well, there he is right there, Buddy.